Hi, this is Jack, and welcome back for the first episode. And I love to make the list of the content that to you as the UA marketer, the new fresh one, you need to understand some the definition, some the content before you running the specific the content specific campaign. So first one, the biggest mistake mobile studios make when launching a new app is optimizing for the wrong metric. Wrong metric, right? Completely, to be honest, they burn their money into their ads totally wrong. So somehow we have a list of the magic that we don't know which one we should focus on. Like I will show you the list you easily to search via the Google, via the AI, ChatGPT, but you don't know which one is the better. So I will show you the 4 types of content, 4 types of the metric that you should focus on. So to win at the UA, I mean user acquisition, you must know these 4. Okay, the basic one. The first one is the CPM. CPM, you can understand it's the cost per mile. Alright, so what you pay for 1,000, you pay for 1,000 impression. Alright. Second one, you should focus on this is cost per click. It means that you should understand that for the each click, it cost you how many money? It costs for click. When the user they click into your ads, so you come back to see that it's worth or not, and you optimize your campaign. The third one, and it is vital for apps. I mean, it's really important. It is the CPI. You heard many times that people talk about when you enter the studio. Everyone talk about the CPI. It is cheap or it is expensive. So it you understand its cost for cost per install, how much it costs to get one actual download. Okay, you focus on the download, and it costs how many money for this download. All right, last but not least, but it is the important one, it depends what kinds of mobile game or kinds of mobile app the model you follow. It is IAA or IAP. Alright, but in terms of this video, I told generally the information that you focus on the IAP. Alright, so you consider this one after you calculate about the CPI, you focus on the CPI. So cost per action, right? Cost for the action, you calculate it for each action. It costs you how many money? Alright, the cost for a specific user action, like as purchasing, alright, purchasing, or they enter, they click into the registering. Okay, so for this one of the metric, you should focus on the CPI. Okay, you CPI, because if your app game is brand new, Do you know which the metric, which one you optimize for? Focus on CPI first, as I said, because the CPI, if you focus on the beginning, it's really hard for the system. For algorithm, you understand that which the user is the VIP. No, they don't understand on the beginning. They need to test with a bunch of the user. So you need the volume on the beginning. So you should focus on the CPI. Alright. So in short, new, okay, apps, okay, need CPI for scale, and mature apps need CPI for profit. Alright, so if you want to avoid